I'm back. I'm glad to be here. Cool. All right, I'll play a song here by Neon Trees, and we'll see how it goes. I think I'm out of tune. Oh yeah, hold on. I'm sorry.
You're not going to give us that excuse.
Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm tripping. Okay. The battery's dead, Matt. It's your fault, buddy. I'm just joking. Here we go again. I kinda wanna be more than friends. So take it easy, me, and I'm afraid you're never satisfied. Here we go again. We're sick like animals, we play pretend. You're just a cannibal and I'm afraid I won't get out alive. No, I won't sleep tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? Take a bite of my heart tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Take a bite of my heart tonight. Here we are again. I feel the chemicals kicking in. I'm just getting heavy and I wanna run and hide. I wanna run and hide. I do it every time. You're killing me now, and I won't be denied by you. The animal inside of you is that, I want some more. What are you waiting for? Take a bite of my heart tonight. I want some more. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Say goodbye to my heart tonight. Hush, hush, the world is quiet. Hush, hush, we both can't fight it. It's just a man's rest. Why can't you understand? Whoa, I won't sleep tonight. I won't sleep tonight. Here we go again. Here we go again. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to my heart tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Say goodbye to my heart tonight.
Very nice. I particularly like the